everyone! So today we'll be continuing the Art of Giving series, and today we will be making personalized scrapbooks and we will be giving this away. So for this project you need a blank scrapbook or journal, and if you don't have that, see lesson 1 and you can make your very own. And this is what this is. You need scissors, glue, and this can be liquid or it can be a glue stick. You need some decorating supplies, and I have some washi tape, as well as some pens and highlighters. You can have anything you find around the house. I ended up printing out a couple of things and already cutting them out. I found some movie tickets when I went to the movies with this person, so that's really good for scrapbooking for memories. I found some cute sticky notes, and I also cut out some flowers just to add to the design. So take some time to decorate the cover of your journal or scrapbook and add some words to indicate what's inside. So for this, I think I will write memories of our friendship. So this is the first lesson where we're really giving something away to another person. And that can be so important because it helps you to continue to grow a bond or relationship with that person. I personally think that relationships are very valuable. Through your lifetime, making those connections, especially now, can really help you get through hard times. And in giving gifts, you're able to really show the person that you value and appreciate them. And of course, you can decorate your scrapbook with things that are 2D or 3D. Though it may be a little harder to close if they are 3D. And of course, take time to really personalize it to the person if you can. And when you think personalization, think creating something very unique to the individual, things that may reflect their interests. I am going to skip the first blank 2 pages because I will be using those in lesson 7. However, if you want to skip just 1 blank page, that's totally fine. So take the time to try to fill in the blank pages of the scrapbook based on what the gift receiver likes or based on memories. It helps when you write both words and include images. If you're unsure of where you want everything to go, place it down before you glue it. One of the nice parts about scrapbooking is that you can really remember some of the good times and have a nostalgic feeling. And when the other person sees it, they should also feel nostalgic, because scrapbooks are meant to show memories with the person and past events and important things. And nostalgic means when you fondly think of a past time or memory. And I think that it changes a lot depending on each person. For this page, a lot of it's based on New York things or movies that I saw with the other person. But we had a lot of good times in New York, and we had a lot of fun watching movies together, traveling together, playing board games together, things like that. And I will be writing some descriptions as well, so it's more meaningful to the other person as well, and they understand what I mean to say. I love using highlighters because I think it helps to enhance my aesthetic, which is a type of theme or style that kind of guides the artwork, and it helps the piece become more cohesive or unified. Once you finish decorating your first page, keep going. That's all for this lesson. I'll see you for the next lesson. Bye.